Welcome, here I've got Apple iPad Pro 11 2020 and I'm gonna show how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So when we want to save the location of our picture, to do it we have to allow the camera app to save location, and we can do it by just simply tapping on the settings like that. And now let's focus on this settings bar here. We have to slide down to the privacy, and by tapping on this we get access to more advanced settings, and at the first place we have the location services, so let's go to it. And as you can see here we have the camera app, and by tapping on this we can pick the location access, never, ask next time, and while using the app. So I'm going to choose while using the app to show you how it looks like. And now let's go to the camera app here and take a picture to show our location tags. And we go to the preview, and now we have to simply slide up, and as you can see here we have the places, so these are our location tags. And greetings from Krakow, that's all. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.